Hello students, I hope you all are fine. So today we are going to start with the topic, and it's the last topic. In the previous class we were doing the population dynamic or population policy. Now today we will end the chapter with some population measure policy. Now a population measure which is known as National Socio-Demographic Goals for 2010. So let's go through the points. So see the points. Now first point is the address the unmet needs for basic reproductive and child health services, supplies and infrastructure. Okay. Now make school education up to age 14 free and compulsory and reduce dropout at primary and secondary school level to below 20% for both boys and girls. Then comes reduce infant mortality rate to below 30 per 1000 live births. Okay, it was being reduced. Now reduce maternal mortality rate below 100 per 100,000 live births. Now this was also reduced. Achieve universal immunization of children against all vaccine preventable diseases. Okay. Now promote delayed marriage for girls not earlier than age 18 and preferably after 20 years of age. So the population this way became decreased in nature. Now achieve 80% institutional deliveries and 100% deliveries by trained personals. So much more trained deliveries were there, and it reduced the maternal mortality rate. Now achieve universal access to information, counseling and service for fertility regulation and contraceptive with wide basket of choice. So again achieve 100% registration of birth, death, marriage and pregnancy. So this was being implemented to produce a census of the year. Contain the spread of acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, that is AIDS, and promote greater integration between the management of reproductive tract infection and sexually transmitted infection and the National AIDS Control Organization. So these were highly being managed, these diseases. Prevent and control communicable diseases. Integrate Indian System of Medicine, ISM, is the provision of reproductive and child health services and reaching out to the household. And the next point is promote vigorously the small family norms to achieve replacement levels or TFR. Now TFR is total fertility rate. Now family planning was implemented and people promoted small families so that the achievement levels could be done to reduce our population. Bring about convergence in implementation of related social sector program so that the family welfare becomes a people-centric program. So some implementations were there for the family welfare, and so people become concerned about reducing the family structure and promoting the small family norms. So these were the points of National Socio-Demographic Goals for 2010. I hope you have gathered some knowledge from these points as how the population was lowered. So thank you students.